How to Google. Beginner. A tutorial by Access Technologies. Google is a technology brand most known for their search engine. A search engine is like asking a librarian to comb through every library ever. To reduce the number of answers, you can use specific keywords. For example, if you look up cookies on a search engine, you'll likely find every cookie recipe, as well as several results for website cookies. Keywords are descriptors that help people get noticed on Google. They are also the same ones you use to search. This creates a push and pull of your search versus others' advertisements. Let's break it down. Types of keywords. Short. Shown as a search with one word. Cookies. Keywords like this are often only 1 or 2 words. These have the highest number of results. When you use a short keyword, you'll get the most abundant, popular answer. While this works best for current events, it may not help you find technical solutions. Practice searching and refining using short keywords. Instead of haircuts, use stylists. Try using backgammon instead of just games. Mid-tail keywords. Shown as a search with 3 words. Holiday, cookie, recipes. These are also known as chunky keywords. You can begin narrowing down your search results by adding modifiers. 2 words are circled as an example of modifiers: holiday and recipes. Holiday will bring up cookies with festive shapes and flavors. The internet is full of people sharing photos, so the word recipes will specify further. Experiment with multiple searches by changing one modifier. Notice the difference in results between holiday cookies tasty versus holiday cookies healthy. Long tail keywords. Shown is the search prompt: holiday cookies with the least number of allergens. These searches can be many words long and will find the most specific results. The more specific your search query, the more likely you are to find what you need the first time. You may need to interrupt your search inquiry with a question like, "What is the best word for blank?" You can open a new tab to open a separate search bar or write down your current query. Practice. Try using keywords to describe a movie you know. Shown is a search query of Leonardo DiCaprio Dream Movie Maze. Adjust the keywords until the title shows up in your search results. Ask yourself, what am I trying to find? What keywords best describe it? What alternate keywords can I use? Helpful? Questions? Find more tutorials in the video description below or visit www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.